up, lifestyle expert Christina Daves is back with some life hacks to make the annual tradition a little easier. Stay with us.
I need this segment for real because spring is here, and this is one thing that I kind of shy away from. So we have Christina Daves here that's going to show us how to spring clean properly some items in our kitchen. So where are we starting first?
We're starting with, you basically need 3 things for cleaning. Number 1 is baking soda.
I have that, okay.
Under
Taking
$1.
copious notes
Under $1.
for me and my wife.
Okay.
Yes.
So you guys probably have a Magic Clean sponge.
I can go get one.
You don't need
Is that
one.
the magic eraser?
Yes.
We have kids, so yes, we have that in bulk.
So put a little baking soda in a bowl. There's your magic eraser. That's all you need. Now, if we need to get we have a little heavier duty, we put baking soda in with a little bit of water.
Yes, we need heavy duty.
Okay, so we mix that up, make it kind of pasty.
Okay.
And then I wanted to show you, I use this on a piece of jewelry. You can clean jewelry. So look how awful that is, the black. And then you just use a toothbrush.
Wow.
Look how clean.
Shimmers that right up,
like
doesn't
right
it?
away. And there's a lot, I have jewelry that just kind of sits on my sink and it does that.
Because because you don't wear it, and then you don't wear it, and it's like, I love that necklace.
Yeah.
But be really careful. Don't put pearls and opals and things like that in anything. Okay, now you probably have heavy duty grime because you've got kids.
Yes, yes, we do.
This is magic. You use the same amount of baking soda and dishwash.
Okay. Now, does it matter what kind of dishwash soap you use?
Well, I swear by Dawn.
Okay.
And this is great too if you guys get a grease stain, olive oil, anything like that on your clothes, put a little Dawn on, throw it in the wash.
I needed that yesterday morning.
I know.
Yes.
Have this in your laundry room, not just your kitchen. So when you mix that up, it turns to like a pudding paste.
Okay.
And then you're going to use your sponge. You want it to be a pudding consistency.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah. So then you'll use that side of the sponge.
Okay.
To start, I got the worst grease off my kitchen cabinets. I didn't think it would ever come off.
On here?
So no, not on the jewelry, but like if you had a kitchen cabinet.
Oh, okay.
So you do this side first. And then you scrub with that side.
Oh, okay.
It got
wax on.
Wax on.
Wax off.
There you go.
Wax on, wax off. And then alcohol. This is your third thing that you want to have all the time. So you put a little bit of alcohol, just
rubbing alcohol.
Rubbing alcohol.
Okay.
And that's how you're going to keep that jewelry clean.
When you tell some folks alcohol, you got to have that on hand too. Like especially if you have kids.
And I like to do mimosas when I'm cleaning as well.
There you go.
So
in a coffee cup, so they don't know.
Nobody knows. But that's just really great, and then that will keep that jewelry clean. So you can real silver, real gold. You can put in straight rubbing alcohol.
Rubbing alcohol, gotcha.
And we did not shout out your gloves. We forgot to shout out these cute cleaning gloves, right?
The best. If you
so
look
when is the
good,
fashion line coming out?
I know, right? It makes it more fun if you look good.
Okay. I see some blinds here.
Blinds. So you know how dusty your blinds get.
Yes.
All I have in here is that rubbing alcohol. So if you want to hold that up for 1 second.
Got that up? Okay.
Yeah, there we go. We'll just show how it works. I like to use an amazing sock.
I have random socks everywhere, so this is perfect.
So you just spray
this is one of the things that we tend to overlook when it comes to cleaning is the dusting.
Yeah, and this is super easy. Have some fun with the fun sock.
Okay.
Okay.
This is pretty heavy.
I just pop that right down.
I'm not going to go there.
Good. Okay, next up, do you guys have essential oils at home?
I do actually.
Yes.
Right? So we're getting into spring. We get more sweaty feet when we're exercising.
Yes, this is great for gym goers such as myself.
Yeah.
Essential
sweaty
oils.
feet or those who probably don't like to wear socks with their shoes.
Yes, that's me.
Don't you look down at me. So yes, but sometimes like you get an odor, you know. So yeah, I'm definitely interested to see.
Essential oils on a cotton ball, just stick it in your shoe.
Sticking just like that.
Just like that. Can you smell how good it smells already?
Yes, I need that for my 12-year-old. He just does not care
if you
how
have
his feet smell.
athletes.
Yeah.
Do you have lacrosse players or volleyball players?
Yeah.
You need that.
Okay.
How long until that takes like a good
Hour.
effect? Just an hour? Just least an hour?
Yeah.
And it just soaks up that
It just
smell?
soaks up the smell.
Oh, wow.
Is this something that you recommend to do just even overnight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And then the other thing you can do is use the essential oils in a water bottle. And here, this is an air freshener. Just smell how good that smells.
So this is just in here in a water bottle.
Can I spray that on my carpets and stuff like that? And just let it seep
It's just
in?
water and oil.
Okay.
So you can spray it on your fabric, couches or chairs, anything like that?
I put it more in the air.
I'm on air.
I don't want anywhere. I don't know what kind of oils you're using.
Don't you have me messing up, things in the house. Yeah. Don't you get me in trouble.
Carpet from up here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is fantastic. The coffee filters, so much less expensive than paper towels, biodegradable. So can you hand me the alcohol, please?
Yeah, sure.
So this is great for an iPad. You just spray your little alcohol.
Okay.
I want you to see.
Love that.
It gets it so clean. Use this on your windows.
Yeah.
Wow.
And you also have your podcast. Really quickly, we got about 30 seconds. Let's chat about that real quick.
Yeah, Living Ageless and Bold podcast for successful women over 55. We're telling amazing stories.
Love that.
Yeah.
Okay, Christina,
Yes,
thank you so much
check
for
her
hanging out
out.
with us. Makia, girl, hopefully you took some notes with all this cleaning stuff. I definitely did.